Good day, one and all. I seem to start all my videos like that, subconsciously, without realising. Anyway, good day, one and all. Today, we're at a very quiet, tranquil, serene Bridlington. It's also very cold. So, let's see what Bridlington has to offer. We've parked on a street for free. If you put in your sat-nav, little Tesco, or not a little Tesco, put Tesco in, and there is one of them near the beach where you can park on the street for free. Little tip for you. Good, eh? How are we doing, Emma?
I'm cold.
It's cold. We're with Ariana today. She's had her first leave her on her own thing at nursery today, and she passed with flying colours. She loved it. Happily sat there and played, no problem at all. As I said, it's a very clear sunny day in Brid. It's freezing. There's the main man. Lupin! He's excited about going on that beach. I'm fairly certain we can go on the beach in January. First thing I saw on the horizon, waves crashing on the horizon, and I thought that was really weird. It's obviously waves crash on the beach, but they're all crashing on the horizon. I don't know if you can see it. Just thought that was odd. I don't know if there's like a bank of ground there or something that they're crashing on. Don't know. You probably know better than I do. Lupin. He's a good boy. Off-roading Loops. Look at these jolly little chaps. Lupin!
Ah, Lucy's got the bees.
Zoomy dog. Lupin! Oh, Lupin's a good boy. Aren't you, Lupin? The sun's behind him. He's a good boy. Looking at those cliffs, look. Lupin! It's absolute drama here. Lupin stole Ariana's banana snack. And it did not go down well, did it, Mariana? He's a naughty boy, is Lupin. So this lovely little promenade goes all the way to where the arcades and the little fairground is, and East Riding Leisure. Who would like a brief history about surfing? Surfing was first brought to England by Hawaiian princes. In September 1890, two Hawaiian princes, brothers and nephews of the ruling king and queen of Hawaii, H.M. King Kalakaua and H.M. Queen Kapiolani, and H.R.H. Prince David Kawananakoa and Prince Jonakuio Kalaniole had come to England to study. Their college tutor John Wrightson, a Yorkshireman, brought them to the seaside during a break from their studies. They rode the waves here at Bridlington Beach, surprising the local people, thereby introducing the ancient Hawaiian sport of surfing to these shores. Soon, Wrightson also learned and enjoyed the sport. It is believed the princes had their surfboards cut and shaped to their own specs by a Bridlington boat builder. Hey Nalu. I'd like to apologise for my terrible pronunciations there, but there you go. Brief history of surfing for you. Massive building there is East Riding Leisure Bridlington. Got very, very good pool in there for kids. Slides and stuff. Very good. There's also a gym and stuff in there as well. And a climbing wall, which Phoebe's going to be old enough to do come June. And she's going to love it. Taking the water through an abandoned fairground here. Of course, in the summer this is all on the go. Getting real Last of Us vibes here. Even looking at that makes me feel ill. I don't do waltzes. I do not do spinny rides. They make me very, very nauseous. Water walkers. That's completely frozen over. A decent little ice rink, that. Well, this is open. Hillbilly Shootout. Can I fail again? The pace around here. It's vintage stuff, innit? And that is Bridlington Forum. Huge entertainment complex with a cinema. Screen 3 cinema. Love an indoor themed mini golf. Treasure Island, the arcade version. This is a very good place just to go with your family, just for fish and chips, bit of food. There's loads of seats inside, and you can take your doggies.
And it's a good view.
Jerome's Pavilion, yes, indeed. lots of different stuff they're selling there, so yeah, good place to go with a fan. Seaside Rockin' Gifts. This is the Gansey girl, waiting for her loved one to return. Pirate ship down there doing rides out to sea. Probably not too popular in January, are they?
Few people on it.
Flipping. That's very dramatic as it floats off into the sun. This Euro cannon was excavated from the North Pier and restored for the Silver Jubilee of Queen Elizabeth II on the 7th of June 1977. A wee bit of fishing.
£1.50 for a Mr. Whippy, isn't that?
Old-fashioned way of learning them tides. There is a little heritage museum here, but it's not open today. Maybe it's a seasonal thing. Free entry as well. Also appears to be a maritime trail you can do. Shadows. So in there. Looks like it goes all around the harbour bit. Learn more about Bridlington's maritime heritage.
If he wants to drink them, right? Yeah, reasonable.
Dino World. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna get copyrighted. Ba 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 ba. These cool little Legos.
I know, you've got Alien, you've got Jessie.
Squid Game Legos.
That is very cool.
Toy Story. All sorts. £3 each or 4 for a tenner.
These are good for storage.
Time to explore the delights, the sights, the sounds, the magic, the majesty of Bridlington Town Centre. Those of you who may remember my Driftfield video, I encountered a cosmic gift and I wondered what it was, and there's one here in Brid. All sorts of stuff. Harry Potter. Emma's going in. Yeah, there was a cosmic gift sign in Driftfield, but I didn't know what it was, and now I know. Got all sorts in here. Had a good look inside. Very cool shop. If you like your nerdy things, cosmic gifts. Brid Brewer tap room, lovely little microbrewery. Very cool little place, not open at the moment. Quite a nice little high street. Got your CX. You got your boys. We are going to take a look in Mighty Lancer Games, because me and Emma, big D&D fans, and we've got a good D&D campaign going on at the moment. So we're going to have a look in here, see if there's anything cool.
Absolutely fine.
Rusty's Diner, breakfast, lunch and dinner. Nice and simple, I like it. If you're looking for a vegan place, come to Planet Wise. Little Bridlington Banksy. Maybe, probably not, I don't know. Could be. Nice dog friendly chippy here. Fish Friday lunchtime special. Dog friendly. There you go. Do you know it's widely regarded? Hello everyone. Look how much of a good boy you can.
And look how much of a good baby this is. Ariana. Yeah. Oh, you got to take your shoe off. Clever girly.
I've gone for cappuccino and sticky toffee pudding and cream. Emma's got a hot chocolate and a rocky road. And Ariana
A delicious baby.
is a pud. It's very cool in here, very nice. Cocoa coffee. Lovely place. Me and Emma are also big board game fans, so we got this Carcassonne Traders and Builders expansion. Very cool, eh? And that's tonight's activity. The sun is starting to set on this beautiful day in Brid. That was a lovely walk on the seafront of Bridlington on this very clear, crisp winter's day. I mean, it says crisp to describe the weather, and I never really get it. I don't understand. Anyway, yeah, there was some stuff was still open. It wasn't obviously like full-on summer flow, but it was a lovely, lovely walk, lovely fresh day out in the sun in Brid. Check out my videos. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.